So my hair is dry in this picture. My hair is also dry in this picture. What made the difference in my texture? This new Cantu Grape Strengthening Treatment Mask is what made the difference. So in this video, I'm just gonna show how I applied this product in my hair, and you can actually see the results on your own without me even saying anything of the different texture of my hair after I let this deep condition treatment mask sit in my hair. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy this transformation, y'all. I promise you won't be disappointed. So 3 hours later, y'all, here are my results. As you can see, my hair is super soft. It looks moisturized. It's no longer dry and brittle. Feels good, smells good, looks good. Now, I do have heat damage and I do have split ends. My hair is not perfect, y'all. I need a lot of work. But hopefully this treatment mask is doing its job. Also guys, I'm experiencing postpartum shedding like no other. I mean, like a dog. Is disgusting. So I'm going to be putting some mini twists in this freshly moisturized hair. So if you want to see that video, stay tuned to see how I do my mini twists, and I have a secret on how I do them. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.